In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate auto captions within your video in Clipchamp completely for free. So let's say we have a Clipchamp, you have opened it, and then you can come to the dashboard, then you can click on create a video. So the first thing you need to do is to import the media or the video that you want to add the auto captions to. So you can come to import media, and then you can go, I have it saved here, desktop. Look at it, presentation with GenSpark. You just bring it in, hit on this, and then you can bring it into the timeline by hitting on this plus sign. So this is now on your timeline. So you can select the video, and then you can come to captions over here. So you can see this is the caption. You can click on try now, specify the language. I want to go with English, United States, and then you can see transcribe media. This is going to transcribe the entire media and generate a caption for you that you can customize and add to your video. Alright, as you can see, it has all been generated. You can hide caption on video, but this one, as at this time, it is going to show on the video. Now you can select and you have the option to play around with the captions as well. You can edit them. You can select any section and you can go ahead and edit the captions. So you have the option to download the caption over here in SRT, or you can improve if you want. So let's see, you have it over here ported in your video. So you can select, and you have all the editing features that you can edit from here. You can change the font style, the sizing, the bold, italicizing, coloration. You can change the coloration of this however you want it. You can change it directly, and you can see it is fantastically popping out. So you can just keep changing, and then you can see you have everything on your video. And once you're done, you can export the video at a later time. Okay. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.